Hello, and welcome to our video on how to stay motivated on your fitness journey. Starting a fitness journey can be challenging, and it's easy to lose motivation along the way. But with the right mindset and some tips and tricks, you can stay motivated and reach your fitness goals. In this video, we'll be sharing some helpful strategies for staying motivated on your fitness journey. One, set realistic goals. It's important to set realistic and achievable goals for yourself. Setting unrealistic goals can be discouraging and may lead to a loss of motivation. Start with small goals and work your way up to bigger ones as you progress. 2. Find a workout buddy. Having a workout buddy can help keep you accountable and motivated. You can encourage each other and celebrate each other's achievements. Three, track your progress. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. This can help keep you motivated and remind you of how far you've come. 4. Mix up your workouts. Doing the same workout routine can get boring and may lead to a loss of motivation. Mix up your workouts by trying new exercises, classes, or outdoor activities. 5. Reward yourself. Treat yourself to a reward when you achieve a goal or milestone. This can be anything from a new workout outfit to a relaxing massage. 6. Visualize your success. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and how you will feel once you reach them. This can help keep you motivated and focused on your journey. 7. Practice positive self-talk. Be kind to yourself and practice positive self-talk. Avoid negative self-talk and instead, focus on your strengths and achievements. 8. Find inspiration. Find inspiration from others who have achieved similar goals or who have overcome obstacles on their fitness journey. This can be through social media, podcasts, or books. 9. Take rest days. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Give your body time to rest and recover to avoid burnout and injuries. 10. Remember your why. Finally, remember why you started your fitness journey in the first place. Whether it's for better health, more energy, or to feel confident in your own skin, keep your why at the forefront of your mind. That's it for our video on how to stay motivated on your fitness journey. Remember, staying motivated is not always easy. But with these tips and tricks, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your fitness goals. Stay focused, be kind to yourself, and keep pushing forward. Thank you for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.